Okay, there's only 3 sides left. This ought to go kind of fast. Okay, slant height. So for slant height, I need to find this thing right here. I've been giving a lateral edge. First, I know it's a square. Lateral edge. Okay, that again, like I said, that's not really super helpful. I know this is 5 because the base edge is 10. These are 13. Well, thankfully for us, that is a Pythagorean triple. With Pythagorean theorem, I can figure out pretty quickly that that is actually just 12. Okay, great. Sometimes that's more work. Axis, meaning the same thing as h. I don't know why they used axis or altitude. I would have said height, and notice there's an h here. If this is a square, this is also 5, right? So again, Pythagorean theorem, I'm going to find the square root of 12 squared minus 5 squared, which I believe is 119. Let me just check that really quick. Yes, I'm right. Oh, I don't know if you saw that. Yes, I'm right about that. It's 119. Okay, then I can find lateral area. It didn't ever ask for surface area, so that's great. Lateral area is half LP. I gave up on typing this one because of the mathiness of it. Okay, so this is half L, I know, and P is really not hard here. It's the square perimeter. Okay, so half times L times P is 240. Interesting note here. Why did they make me find this? I did not need this at all. Well, I need it for volume, and we're going to do volume soon enough. Okay. Well, they asked for it. That's the reason why I had to find it, but it wasn't useful for anything later. All right, lateral area is half LP. I'm still going to keep writing half LP, even though I know this is a circle. So you could, yeah. Either way, I'll take this either way. Pi RL, I've kind of gotten used to pi RL the last few years. That's fine. And we already know R, that's 3. But we don't know L. L is this thing. And again, just Pythagorean theorem. That's going to be 9 plus 9. No, 9 plus 100. I was thinking 90 already for some reason. 9 plus 100. Oh, I was doing subtraction already. But this is the hypotenuse. This is the square root of 109. And that's it. I really can't simplify that at all. That's just 3 pi times the root 109. I just rearrange it to make it look prettier, but it's nothing different. Okay. And then surface area is that plus the area of the base, which again, I'll just skip the circle land and call that pi r squared. And that's just 9 pi. So this whole thing is going to be 3 pi root 109 plus 9 pi. That's all there is to say there. Oh yeah, this part is going to be shortened. Okay, last slide. I put an ending thing on this one because this document actually has more stuff in it. Surface area cone is 9. Okay, they told me surface area, this is going to be harder, is LA plus B. Well, in a cone, that's pi RL plus pi r squared. Now, I don't know if you noticed this earlier. I didn't say this earlier. That has, you could factor out a, oh, they gave us radius. Okay, never mind. They gave us radius. That's pretty. I was gonna say we could factor out pi r from that binomial if you wanted to. It would leave another r inside that side. I don't know if that's helpful, but let's just go ahead and put in what we know. So this is gonna be 4 pi l plus 16 pi. I'm just supposed to find l. Okay, this isn't too bad. Solving this, first of all, I can cancel all the pi's. That's nice. I can just take 90 minus 16. I hope I'm doing this right. Equals 4l. I think that's all I have left, right? If I divide by divide by pi, subtract 16 both sides, it's just 74 divided by 4, which is just 18 and a half. Oops, don't have the pen timer. Yeah, I went to the calculator. Sue me. Okay, so it's 18.5. All right, I'm going to let you go. This has been long enough, and I will see you next class.